Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful fridge magnet for the Mother's Day special gift. This is a jar shaped fridge magnet with the paper flowers, and I have added magnet on back side and also added this clip to add quick reminders. This is a great idea, so let's get started. For this we need some micro bead pearls, scissor, ball tool, some wire pollens, strong magnet, groove golf tool, punched border, any wooden paper clip or any type of clip, a jar base, pattern paper, foam pad, some flower cutouts, archival ink and sponge dauber, and also we need glue. So first I am taking this jar shaped wooden cutout. If you don't have this, you can directly cut the cardboard or mount board of this shape. So this is not necessary to use wooden base. Now I am adding little glue on this and spreading it using my brush. Then I am adding this pattern paper on top of this and removing all the bubbles using my fingers and making it a flat and smooth base. Now I am cutting the excess paper and using my sanding tool I am cutting the excess paper. Like this. Now I am taking dark purple chalk paint and I will color the wooden part using this paint. You can also use acrylic color. So this is done. Now using dot stencil I am randomly adding some design using blue color chalk paint using my stencil brush. like this. Now I'm taking this cute bird cutout and I'm adding it like this. Also, I'm taking this wooden clip and using silicone glue, I'm adhering it with the base. You can add quick notes or quick reminders or any photograph using this wooden clip. Now, I have already prepared 3 sizes of paper flower cutout and using aquamarine or Kaival ink and sponge dauber, I am coloring the center portion of each flower. Now I am sprinkling some water using my spray bottle and taking my foam pad, and from back side using groove golf tool I am making some texture. Now just rotate your flower and using the ball tool push it in the center. In the same way I will repeat with other flowers. So this is done. Now I am pricking the center of each flower using the sharp object. Now I am taking my wired pollen, dipping it inside the glue, and now I am adding these small micro bead pearls around this. Allow it to dry for some time. So I have already prepared one center. Now I will add little glue and I will construct the flower. So this is done. Isn't it looking beautiful? And this is really very easy. In the same way I have created some more flowers of the different sizes using the same method. I will join all these flowers. So on back side of the jar I am adding little silicone glue and I will start adding these flowers one by one. If you don't have silicone glue, you can also use glue gun or any strong adhesive. Like this. So it will look like it from front. Now I'm taking this jute rope and wrapping it around the neck of the jar like this. It will also help us to fix our wires from backside. Now I'm making some knots here. And decorating the front part using these tiny yellow flowers here and there. So this is done. Now I'm adding some punched leaves. On back side of this I have added this paper punched border to hide the wires. Now I'm adding this cute butterfly in one corner. Now on back side I will adhere my magnet. So again I am using silicone glue. You can also use Fevibond to stick this magnet. Allow it to dry completely for some hours. Now I am writing some short note like milk to be boiled or anything which you want to remind. Now I am adding this with this clip. Isn't it a cute idea? In this way you can also add any photograph or any message, anything with this clip. So the cute Mother's Day gift is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.